Welcome to Google Flow, an AI creative studio built with and for creatives. Today, we're going to explore tools in Google Flow. Tools are custom workflows that you can create using natural language prompts directly inside Google Flow. For example, think image editing, script brainstorming, or text overlay tools. Let's dive in. To access tools, first open up a project and select the Tools button found on the left side navigation panel. This opens up the Tools Gallery, a collection of tools built by Google and our creative partners to help you get inspired. Let's see a tool in action, like this shader effects tool. It applies customizable filters to your outputs. All you have to do is pull in a clip from one of your projects to start experimenting with the different filters and sliders. Now let's say you find a tool you like, but you get an idea to make it even more relevant to your unique workflow. You can remix it by just hitting the remix button at the top. For example, I had this idea where I wanted to add a fisheye preset. I can simply add a prompt and Google Flow will help refine the tool. Once I have a clip that I like with my new preset, I can save it so it populates in my project gallery. And if you want to start completely from scratch and create your own tool, you can do that too. Simply go to the Tools Gallery homepage and select Create Tool. Here you can begin prompting the tool you want. For example, let's see if I can create a vortex tool to morph video assets into swirling tunnels. I can just write out the prompt that describes the video editor tool and hit Generate. Then an overview of the tool features appear in the agent chat box. If it looks right, try testing it out to see how it works. You can continue to refine your tools just by using the chat box. After you've either remixed or created a tool, you can easily find them in the My Tools tab. If you really love a tool you found or created and want to share it with your friends, you can do that by clicking the three-dot menu on your tool and pressing Share. This will generate a unique link so they can check out the tool and incorporate it into their workflows. But don't worry, if your friend decides to remix that tool, it won't impact your original version. It will only remix theirs. And that's Google Flow Tools, custom workflows created by you to help you make whatever it is that you envision. Start creating today at flow.google.